The wind and rain created a headache for a Webster County family. The combination of conditions is the likely culprit for uprooting this oak tree along Highway 9 near Walthall. The tree appears to have caused some minor damage to the roof and the front portion of this home. Emergency personnel got a call about a welfare check in the area and were on scene to check things out. No injuries reported. Webster County EMA Director Barry Rushing reminds residents to report any storm-related damages by calling 911.